So I'm here at Hobby Lobby at the 40% off sale. So I went straight to my charmeuses, satins. These ones here, they're polyesters, and they are ordinarily $6.99 a yard. If you buy them 40% off, that makes it $4.20 a yard, and I get them from the fabric warehouse for $2.39 a yard. So it's still not a good enough deal for me to spend that kind of money to make scrunchies. So I'm noticing that with most of their fabrics, that they are all going to be $6.99 and above. I did find a couple very light cottons for $2.99 that I'm getting at Michael's online for, I think they're $2.99 a yard. And then these nicer satins, like this beautiful purple one here, it's $9.99 a yard. And again, I can get it for $3.20 a yard online at the fabric warehouse. So here I found one for $5.99, which is going to make it about $3.20, and that's worth it. And this one is a very nice thick cotton with the daisies, which that one is a good price. Let's see how much this one is. Nope, that's not good. So you have to really look. If you can find the ones for $5.99, then they're the same or less. Here's another $5.99 than they are online at Michael's. The Konas are $10 a yard minus 40% off, so you're talking about $6 a yard. After Joann's closed down, I started going to Hobby Lobby because they had the 40% off sale. They don't have that anymore. It is now 30% off, which is still sometimes a good deal, sometimes not. You just have to check against the Michael's fabrics, who is now carrying all the Joann fabrics, a lot in 800 of their stores, but then also a whole bunch more online. I also have wonderful places to go shopping online for fabrics, and I share those with you on my YouTube channel, so check out the videos about that. I'll try to link them below.